Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Anybody that is new to the channel, my name is Chris, and in this video we're going to talk about Sundial growers, ticker symbol SNDL. Now Sundial growers is in the cannabis industry. As we all know, the cannabis industry is the industry to be in the first quarter of year 2021. The cannabis industry has been, let's say, booming and has been very high lately. Okay, so Sundial growers is going to announce their earnings on March 17. So in this video I basically want to update you guys on what to expect heading into the earnings and whether or not Sundial growers is a must-buy stock before the earnings or completely avoid this company entirely and just wait to see what happens in the earnings. Okay, I have a lot of great information for you all, and I always try to give you guys the most up-to-date information I possibly can. If there's something you like and you do enjoy, please remember to give me a big thumbs up. It does help me out. So without further ado guys, let's talk about Sundial growers, ticker symbol SNDL. So right now Sundial growers is trading at $1.30. You can see in the past 5 trading days they have been green. Okay, they hit a low of around 93 cents. Okay, and they have hit a high of around $1.40. Okay, their market cap is $2.17 billion, and they have a 52-week range, a 52-week high, my bad, of $3.96 and a 52-week low of 13 cents. You can kind of see that Sundial growers lately has been one of those meme stocks, has been one of those social media stocks that has been heavily shorted. The people are, day trading, people are swing trading, people are using this stock to basically make a whole bunch of money and lose a lot of money. So you can kind of tell by their average volume. 531.9 million in average volume. Okay, that is extraordinary. That is amazing. That has a lot of attention in this one particular company. But many people feel that and take this company as an opportunity to basically cash in and make a whole bunch of money, especially with the Redditors and everything that's going on, right? But does this company actually have the qualities to surpass and break this penny stock status, right? So they will be announcing their fourth quarter earnings in March 17. Okay, then it will be followed up by a conference call on March 18 at 10:30 Eastern time. Okay, but one of the big things that is helping Sundial growers, and in my opinion does have potential to basically hold this position, is their cash in hand. Okay, you kind of see in this chart right here that Sundial growers has $610 million in cash. The only 2 other companies that have more cash than them is Canopy Growth and Kronos Group. Okay, but this is a chart compared to all their other canopy peers, right? They have more money than Alferio, more money than Aroa Cannabis, more money than Tilray. So Sundial growers has 600 million cash in hand. So what can they do to, with that money? They basically use that money to prolong their life. Let's say if anything goes bad or if management just goes to heck, they could use that money to basically last longer than their competitors. Okay, or they could even use that money to buy even smaller companies in the Canada area to keep on expanding and making more revenue for that particular company. Okay, for example, they just announced the Sundial and Indivior announced closing of a $22 million strategic investment. Okay, so Sundial growers is going to be partnered up or going to buy into Indiva. Okay, Indivior. Okay, so they will be buying this company for $22 million. Okay, so this cash pile, you can already see that it's benefiting Sundial growers. Okay, because not all these other cannabis companies can actually start to buy smaller companies here and there, then basically make their portfolio, make their revenue and the streams of income even better and stronger, right? Sundial growers has the potential to do just that. So when their financials come here, when they report their earnings, is going to be very interesting to see how much cash in hand they actually have. Okay, and what is going to be their guidance for the rest of year 2021, and what is going to be their goals and what strategic plans they actually have in place to continue the growth of this one particular company. Many people just consider this company a meme stock and that this company is not going to last. It's just a penny stock that's not going to last 2-3 years. But you can kind of see that the cash pile that they actually have right now could actually benefit them long term. Okay, in a way they could probably last a little bit longer than Tilray and Alferio, which I kind of doubt because they both are going to be merging soon. But Sundial growers does have more cash on hand than those 2 companies combined right now, and this company does have the potential to last even longer than any other company out there. They even have the potential to buy more and more smaller companies to make more revenue. Okay, obviously with Sundial growers there is a lot of skepticism. Okay, there's not just there's a lot of bullish statements, bearish statements out there, right? A lot of analysts do see a lot of downside in this company because it's a penny stock. It's very risky, okay? And it is one of these meme stocks that has a lot of extreme volatility on top of it being a penny stock, okay? So right now, Sundial Growers is trading around $1.30, okay? In my opinion, I do see this company as overvalued, okay? It is overvalued with a market cap of $2.17 billion, okay? I don't see them getting the revenue, and I do see that, I probably believe that the PE ratio is going to be extraordinary. It's going to be exaggerated like every other cannabis company out there, but their market cap is not going to benefit what the revenue actually has, okay? But when their earnings comes out, I do see some sort of growth into this company, okay? Many people are holding on to cannabis companies, hoping that there will be a legalization in cannabis in the United States, okay? A lot of cannabis companies are located in Canada. Sundial Growers is located in Canada. So if they could somehow start to expand into the United States and make more revenue, make more cheddar for them, this company, Sundial Growers, is going to break out of this penny stock status sooner rather than later. But the first step is basically to see what actually does happen on March 17 when the earnings comes, okay? So this video is basically just a little update to basically update you guys on what to expect on the earnings. They're going to talk about basically their cash pile and the merger with Indivior, okay? So just be aware that this company is still a penny stock and it's still a growing company. Sundial Growers is still a growing company, okay? But I am expecting revenue growth, year over year. I am expecting revenue growth quarter to quarter. I am expecting some sort of growth for this company, okay? Am I going to be holding this company long term? Let's just see what actually happens on March 17th. Do I have Sundial Growers in my portfolio? Yes, I actually do have, some shares of Sundial Growers in my portfolio right now as this video is being recorded. Am I going to hold it, for 5, 10 years? We'll actually have to see what actually happens in the next upcoming months, the next, conference call, the next earnings, everything that actually going to happen, and developments if marijuana does get legalized. I do think it's going to get legalized. It's a matter of time to see when, where, how is going to get legalized. But Sundial Growers is going to really benefit, especially if they start to buy more and more smaller companies and just have a bigger cash pile, okay? I do see this company growing to around $2. At $2, I think will be a pretty good range of growth for the company. If you ever do see this company going a little bit low, below $1, I'll consider a buy. I'll consider buying a little bit more to probably average down a little bit more on Sundial Growers. All right, guys. So I do hope you guys did enjoy the video. Hope I did update you guys on what to expect on the financials, and I hope you guys did enjoy the video. So please remember to give me a big thumbs up. It does help out the channel. And till next time, guys, have a great day. Bye.